Good morning, traders. Welcome, welcome. Let's start a new day. And let's see here what the EURJPY has for us. As you can see, EURJPY went straight up after it broke this resistance at 122,470. And now I'm expecting for EURJPY to break this area at 123, and if it's gonna break it, then definitely it's gonna come up to 123 for 11. So I will let the chart like this on the 1 hour, and maybe I will do like this. So we still have 1 hour and a half for this 4-hour candle to close. So my opinion is that EURJPY definitely will continue to go up, and even it's rejected this area, this candle, it's trying to break this zone at 123, and if it's gonna break it, then definitely it's gonna come to the 400. And if you look close, the candle are closing higher and higher. Let's look at the strength meter, and if you look here closely, euro it's very strong, and GPY it's weak. So also this, it gives me another confirmation that the price can continue to go up at least to 123,400. Let's look also at some other pairs. Euro USD, it's continue to go up. Even if you look here, the price closed under this resistance. USD is very weak, and now they are still waiting to announce the new president. So if we look here, let's reload it. Mr. Biden, he needs only 3 votes to win these elections. So they are close. They need only this confirmation from Nevada. and that's why I'm not trading pairs with USD, but still in this moment USD it's very weak. Let's go to USD GPY. USD GPY, it's going down, and let's see if it's breaking this area at 104. So if it's gonna break it, let's go to the 4-hour. So if it's gonna break it, then the price definitely will feel this week. If you look all the time, you have to look on the left side. So here we have this week that should be filled at 103.072. So who wants to trade this pair, but I don't recommend during this week. Have an eye if it's gonna break this area at 978, then price definitely is gonna come back down here and fill this week. If the price has momentum, that means that if GPY is stronger than USD, that means that the price will fall and the price will fill this week, and maybe it may continue to go even lower. Okay, I was watching GCAD. I wanted to give a signal that it's falling, but it fell already. So maybe the price will come back down here at 7,800, and maybe it can make a retest on that area, and then the price may continue to go up. So I told you also yesterday and at the beginning of the week that it's very difficult this week to trade, and I'm not risking too much because I'm waiting for these elections to finish and to announce the new president of America. And from that moment, definitely the price or the market will settle down, and it can give us a better direction. EURJPY is still struggling to go up. Euro USD, it's going beautifully up, and it's going to go to 18,400. And if the price will break also this area, let me take this one, it's going to come to 18,655. So in this moment, euro it's very strong, and USD it's weak. So when the USD is strong, that means that the price is going down. USD GBPJPY, it's still continuing to push. And I told you if it's gonna break it, then definitely it's gonna retest this area, and the price will fill this week. Euro AUD, it doesn't do too much because okay, it went down in the it went down yesterday, then the price went back up, created a retest here around this area at 934, and the price now it's pushing down, so definitely it's gonna hit again this area at 897. So even if you have all these pairs in front of you, you don't have to trade them all, even if the market can give you everyday opportunities to trade. You just have to choose some pairs that you like and that you want to trade. For example, EURJPY. I have GJ that I like. I have euracad. I don't know if you noticed, but I send some signals with euracad. I like GCAD. I like them because when they are moving a lot, and you don't have to wait too much time for the price to hit your take profit. Also your stop loss, because you cannot be 100% time right. It's impossible. Nobody's 100% time right all the time. But if you know how to manage your risk, and if you are consistent with profit, and you don't overtrade, believe me that you can make beautiful profits. Beautiful profits. So this, I was saying that even that I saw this price falling, I don't have to jump in this trade and oh my god, let's take a sell, let's make money. No, if you have to feel, first of all, you have to feel comfortable. And if I don't feel comfortable to take this trade, I don't take it. So you have to relax, you have to be calm, you have to enjoy what's happening here. And when you really feel to take a trade, then take it. So you don't have to go, let's go to EURJPY, let's go to USD, let's take also this trade, let's take also GJ, GU, all the pairs, let's see. When you overtrade, believe me, you make mistakes. And after the price will hit your stop loss, then definitely you will say, I want to take back that money that market took me, and I will have another buy or another sell, and then you go crazy and then you lose a lot of money. So I'm telling you this because I have experience, because at the beginning I was the same. And I was so excited, and all the time, let's trade this, let's trade that. And after I, how do I say, after I respect my trading plan, I was consistent. And from that moment I said, I don't overtrade, because if you overtrading, then you lose money, believe me. This is 100% sure when I'm telling you this. I don't know why my internet is not working so well. I hope that you see you can see my chart. Okay, so here for EURJPY, this one I told you, from here it can make 30 pips, and I'm expecting the price to do this because euro it's strong and GPY not so strong. Also I can compare with euro USD, and I told you that it's gonna come to hit this area at 400. So USD it's not strong, euro it's again strong. So you have to look for this kind of situation, like you look for the pairs with euro. Well, you have to look and see what's happening with euro with some other pairs, with GPY, with USD, with AUD, with GHF, with NZD, with I don't know. And when you see that, for example, with all that pairs, euro it's going up, that means that it's strong. So then you can look for support and resistance, and then you wait for the price to give you a confirmation, and then you can have a buy or a sell. It's very, very simple. Very simple. Yes, EURJPY, it's trying to break this zone. I don't know why the time at this hour, the market is a little bit dead. Okay, also because the market did the move on in the London session. Now for me this one it's like ranging. Here again, now the price is retesting again 349, and let's see if it's gonna break it again to come back down here, or it's gonna go up again. And let's see also on the 30-minute, yeah, it's ranging. I don't like this one. GCAD, it's going like crazy. I told you that it's gonna come here to this area at 753 and retest it again. Because if you look closely, even if the price went straight up, don't think that this pair it's on the uptrend. No, it's in a downtrend, and the trend you can find it how do I tell you, for you to be easier to understand. For example, now here you do like this, you go with the price in the corner, and if the price is going like this down, that means that the price it's in a downtrend. If you take the price and it's coming from this way, from this corner, and it's going up, even if it's doing like this, up and down, that means that it's in an uptrend, but only on the 4 hour. So now in this moment I can see that GCAD it's in a downtrend. And also if we use some trend lines, let's do like this for you to be easier to understand. Oh, come on, NZD, leave me alone. You see, it's very simple. You just have to look where the price went, where it may go up again to retest the area, like it happened here, and now the price, boom, it's going down. And most probably, if it has momentum, it may go around this area again, or to this one. Where you see that also we have the trend line, and also we have two lines here, that means support. So the price may come back down again around this area, but it cannot go, let's say, straight like it happened here. It may do like this, come back up again, come down again, up and then down. You never know. You cannot predict all the time what's happening in the market, but you can anticipate, let's say, some moves, because you have really nice tools to use it. For example, like trend line. If you know how to use trend line, it's beautiful, because like this you can imagine and you can predict what may happen later on, like here. for the price, for example, for GCAD, the price couldn't break this area. Also, we had the trend line, and also it closed under this resistance at 500. Then the price, leave me alone. Then the price went up, hit the trend line, and then boom down. Maybe the price here is gonna come back again, retest again this area. You never know. Or it may just go down straight. Time when you do analysis, you have to go, let's say when the new month started, you go on the monthly. That's why you have the monthly chart, and you just have a look and say, oh my god, what happened here? The price is like this, maybe it's gonna come back again, we don't know, let's go on the weekly, and so on. And when you start a new day, you just go on the daily chart, you see where the candle just closed, and if you look here, the price just closed lower than here, where the price, let me make it bigger for you to understand it. So you just go on the daily and you do like this. What do I have here? Here at 683 we have a support. So the price came back down and here created a support and then came back up again and now down. But when it went down, you can see that this candle, this big red candle, it's bigger than this one and it broke the support. And left side, here we have in this area, let me do like this, a really strong area where the price created a resistance. And here the price came down, created a support and rejected this area. Even if you see here this huge candle, which is clean, and the price went up and then back again, but it broke it, and then rejected again and went back again, and now it's coming down. So what is the probability? The price to go up or to go down, when we have to think that this candle broke this strong resistance, support, sorry, and the candle is bigger than this one, the blue one. So for me, the probability is the price to go lower, and it happened with this candle. It went lower in this area and then it went up again. So maybe the price is gonna play somewhere here, or it's gonna come even lower. Maybe it's gonna close somewhere here at, let's say, 350. And maybe tomorrow the price will start from here, come back down and up again and down again and up again. So like this you have to do analysis when you start your fresh day. And if you go on the 4 hour, you can see that here it's the daily resistance that I draw it. And if you look closer, it's matching perfectly, because here we have the support, the price rejected this area, went up, back down again, broke it, again created a resistance, came back down, rejected and back up again. And now the price is coming down and it looks like it's rejecting again this area. So now if you look, you can say that, it's not so hard to make an analysis. So you have to do like this every day, to be consistent, and to think and to predict and to anticipate where the price may go. If it went here and if it closed under this resistance, it's gonna go up or it's gonna come back down again to retest this area. What is the probability? So you have to look at these little details for you to understand what the market tells you, and to understand where the price may go. I told you, this is like a story, and you have to read this story. It's very, very, very simple. Sometimes hard, because you never know where, when you have these ranging days, and you don't like what the market gives you, and then you cannot predict very well. And also when you have news, you can be right saying that this price can go down, and it may come, I don't know, it may come some news and the price it's just spikes up and then coming back down again. So you have to be careful. And also with this also when you are trading, you have to use stop loss all the time, stop loss, because if you don't use it, then the market will eat you alive. Let's see USD CAD, it's going down, 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 down. And it's gonna come at this area. I don't have any lines because I don't really trade this pair, but because it's here, I said why not. This is on the daily time frame. So also here, if you look closely, even if this candle went up and it did so many pips, it closed under this candle, which this one, it was here and at let's say 450, and here it was also a resistance created, and also here the price rejected. And also if you look even more on the left side, you will see here the price did like a rejection. You see, very simple. Here rejected and broke it, here created a support, back up, here created support again, went back up again, and so on. So if you look here, the price closed above this support, the price went back up again, created a huge wick, and then it closed under this support and even lower than this candle. So the probability was that the next candle not to go up, to go down. So like this you have to do your analysis when you start a new day. Let's see GJ what it's trying to do. GJ on the daily, it's rejecting this area, and if you look closer here, we have these rejections, this rejection, also here we have rejections, and it went up and now down. So maybe the price can go even lower, also to how you say, to retest again this area. And also, as you can see, the price went up, straight up during London session, and now it may correct some moves from this candle. This one, it may continue to go down. So remember this with the trend. It's very simple. You take your price, you do like this. If the price is coming from this direction, from this corner, from the left side but up, okay, from here, then the price is going down. If you do the opposite thing and the price is coming from here, then the price is gonna go up. So like this, if you can say that it's in a downtrend or in an uptrend, but here we are talking on the 4 hour. If you go in the 1 hour, it's the same thing. Yeah, but here you don't have, you see, it's in a downtrend. It's simple. You cannot have, let's say, buy from here to here. It's impossible. Yes, maybe the price can retrace and it may come back down again, but you don't look here for buys, you look here for sells, because I explain you why. It's in a downtrend. Guys, I will be right back.